ambitious fight to seize control of Pillsbury, the American food conglomerate that owns Häagen-Dazs. Now, Grand Metropolitan is
Toyota does not stop.
Pillsbury brands to
smoking an unfiltered cigarette. As Lewis looked at him, the old man pinched the cigarette out between his thumb and forefinger and pocketed it neatly. He held out his hands and smiled.
Did not move over.
The smile looped. My dad built that house across the way, brought his wife there, and she was taking the child there.
Really? Nice cutoff.
It was me.
No stop. BMW.
At the end of the day, not mean anything. And so that's kind of the gist of it. And me with a clock
no stop.
on the table in
You just
mind,
slow down because there's a bump
deadline
there.
looming on.
Red light run. That's still red. You can only make a left turn if that's also a one-way street, which it's not. Red light run. Toyota turd. It's red. Wow. And you just can't stop. It's unnatural.
the NBA. And I'm now going to sit there. I'm going to watch the NBA.
Really?
The finals, plural. I believe I'm going to. You watch some of the greatest athletes on the fucking.
Uh-oh, looks like the Toyota's in the wrong lane. Yep, there he goes. Toyota.
That Amber Heard and her friend made the broken wine scene and did that, faked it.
Nice cutoff. Toyota.
Put the makeup on. So, there you go. June 1st, National Men Against Crazy Bitches That Lie Day.
Really?
I will always hold June 1st. There will always be a special place in my heart.
I said this in my note. You immediately create a black mark for it. And you know, we can look at history.
Red light
to show
run.
This happens.
On that first date, I expressed my views on monogamy and made sure to circle back on it later to make sure we're on the same page.
Really?
Because what I don't want is to start seeing someone and then, oh, by the
Florida.
way, yeah.
But exit time? I think it was.
Okay. You would have to say there will be no child.
Straight to the left turn lane. Get through that, kind of.
We'll never.
Whoa, what the fuck? Yep.
You know, get about 6 o'clock, get them working, but I know that's also not, you know, really, you know, so I'm kind of wondering what the healthy balance is that, you know,
What do you do?
have a little bit of slack in
Figure out where you want to do.
High school starts so ungodly early.
Assault investigations, and what I know is taking away a victim's autonomy, meaning somebody came in and violated.
I think that was red light run, and we got an intersection blocker,
their values.
and someone that don't yield right away.
For a brief moment, I thought you were going to say Malcolm X, and I was going to take issue. I was going to.
Oh, deers!
I don't believe that's.
Deers! Look at the baby deers! Is there any more? I don't want to hit anything.
People complain about, like, in the old days, Britain colonized the whole world and fucked up the
No stop.
And
Unilever at Unilever's expense and make us do it right.
No stop.
After lunch, Ben and
Oh, you're supposed to stop back here. No, stop. No, stop. No, stop.
But I didn't. Was really close friends with a lot of them, and I didn't have conversations about their sexuality. So, like, not only hearing them talk about their experiences, but also how they can
Come on, get on your side.
in their faith experience.
Good, some bad, but I think the more we engage with each other in that manner, the more we're going to
No, stop.
the right answer. So,
Yeah, that's a ticket. Yeah, how about let's go. Let's
Red light run.
That's
Believing in reality.
Yeah, not believing in reality. Even when it's problematic.
No, stop.
Even when it sucks.
Even when it's sucks. Helped them.
They were guided.
Yes, they were guided.
Sure.
They were the instigators of their own books, I'm sure.
No,
they were
stop.
guided,
There is a stop sign there. I think that was a red light run. There's a state trooper right next to me. Maybe it won't do anything, but who knows?
And then she touched my leg, and then there's like a thing, and a thing, and then it's gonna end in some HR stalemate. And there's gonna be a letter in his file that's gonna be like, and then you got an awkward work situation, and it just goes on and on and on.
What was that?
You're romantically engaged, particularly if they're gonna come back and work for you.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, Renee.
Yeah, it wasn't red yet.
Shelf I'm looking at right now to just continue with the ADD
No, stop.
of everything I do. Oh, listen to that. Oh, listen to that. What do you? That's an A-star.
No,
That's the
stop.
cops.
I wish the cops were here.
Shit to my husband. You're welcomed over here, but you're not welcomed over here saying rude shit to my husband. If you say something, I'm
No,
gonna
stop.
call you on it. All right, that's it.
Serviceable, except for the ones he was wearing.
No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, no trailers in the left lane. And he just moved over, so that's good, I guess. Although he didn't do anything wrong in the first place. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll catch you next time. Yay! Okay, bye.